हाय फ्रेंड्स, जैसे आप लोगों को पता है हम लोग ने अपना वेट लॉस सीरीज चालू किया है। तो ये हमारा दूसरा वीडियो, अनदर वीडियो फॉर वेट लॉस सीरीज, जहाँ पे हम लोग फोकस मोर ऑन कोर करेंगे। ठीक है, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो हमारा पहला जो वर्कआउट है वहाँ पे हम ये वाला फर्स्ट वर्कआउट करेंगे। आपको नी को अंदर बाहर पुश करना है, बट बहुत जन इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या करते हैं, दे डू लाइक दिस। तो आपका नी बाहर की तरफ नहीं आना चाहिए। तो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल टेक अ बेल्ट। ओके, बेल्ट को हम लोग थाइस पे बांध देंगे।
So we are locking the thighs.
Yeah, we are locking the thighs. तो नी अभी बाहर की तरफ नहीं आएगा। Okay, and we will start. So
And Jeet, the upper back should be how?
हाँ, upper back should not be straight. Okay, आपको हंच बनाना है।
हाँ, just elbow
and
bend.
shoulders roll down, right?
Yeah, elbows bend. And now knee को अंदर बाहर करना है। चलिए, 1 towards your chest, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16
18 19 20 and relax. We'll do one more set. तो आपको इसमें ध्यान देना है, आपको हंच बना के बैक को ज़्यादा टच रखना है ग्राउंड पे। अदरवाइज अगर आप हंच नहीं बनाओगे तो देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि आपको टेल बोन पे प्रेशर आए। So we will repeat this one more time.
legs up, start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Relax.
Jeet, here along with the core, the thighs also get activated.
Yeah, because we have tied the thighs.
Correct.
So thigh muscle get more activated,
Right.
more involved.
Correct. So ideally, how many sets should you, each one do?
So you can do 3 sets of each workout.
Correct.
We will do only 2 sets.
Correct.
But you can do 3 sets of each workout. And you can try to increase the count. जैसे हम लोग ने अभी खाली 20 ही किया है, तो इसको आप 30 का 40 का एक बार में कर सकते हो।
Sure.
ठीक है, now we'll move to other workout. We'll remove this belt. Keep it there. Now for other workout, हम लोग को elbow पे आ जाना है अपने। And as I told you earlier, बैक को स्ट्रेट नहीं करना है, ज्यादा बैक टच रखना है नीचे। एंड बोथ लेग्स फोल्ड। नाउ वन लेग अप, toes pointed and hold. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now up and down. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and hold again. So आपका ये पैर ये लेवल पे होना चाहिए एकदम दूसरे पैर के। एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट, बिकॉज थर्ड टाइम जब होल्ड करते हैं वहाँ पे बहुत प्रेशर फील होता है। तो यू नीड टू होल्ड दिस। 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Relax. Now we'll do other side. Up, hold. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Up and down. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and hold. And this counting should be slow than earlier counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Relax.
So Jeet, in this we have to keep 2 things in mind. That the neck should not be in the
neck should not be falling back. Right? That is most important thing.
Because
otherwise you will feel the pressure on your neck.
Correct.
So
there will be a lot of pressure if you do this.
Yeah, neck.
Make sure it is touching your chest. Also, when we are doing this, we should keep our core involved.
Yeah, you should keep your core involved in all the workout because these are weight loss workout and wherein we need to involve our core.
Correct.
Okay, we'll repeat this one more time. Leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then again relax. Take a break of 10 to 15 seconds. Then we'll move to next workout. In next workout we'll do cycling. So again we'll come on elbow. One more thing. If you're not able to hold this posture, if you're not able to take your neck in front, so all this workout you can also do by lying down. So many people, they are not able to do cycling like this. So what they can do, they can lie down and they can do cycling. That is okay. So but we will do in elbow. Elbow down. Again same posture. Core
Normal
tucking.
cycling that
Yes.
we need to do, right?
Yeah, core tucking. And we will not do like this because we need to straight our leg
And then
and then yes,
like a pedal.
cycle. Yes. Okay. So let's start. 1, 2, slow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. We'll repeat one more time. Chalo. 1. Do it slowly. The more you do it slowly, the more is the intensity. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And relax.
There is a slight pressure which is developed at the back, right? While doing this.
Yeah, it can, but basically जितना आप बैक को टच रखोगे हंच करके उतना आपको प्रेशर नहीं आएगा.
Okay.
बट यस, प्रोबेबिलिटी इज देयर यू मे गेट अ प्रेशर. अगर आपको प्रेशर आ रहा है बैक पे तो व्हाट यू कैन डू, आप हिप के नीचे पिल्लो रख सकते हो या कुछ
Okay.
रख सकते हो एंड देन
then
यू
we
कैन
can do.
या यू कैन डू. सो लेट्स मूव टू आवर फोर्थ वर्कआउट. इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है, नो मूवमेंट. यू जस्ट हैव टू लाई डाउन अगेन इन द सेम पोस्चर. हाथ आपका ऊपर रहेगा, लेग अप एंड होल्ड दिस. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can feel the vibration. 8,
Yes.
9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. One more time we'll do. Okay. Again, up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Now, since we have in all the workout, we have contracted our core. So it is also important, in fact very important, to do the counter asana. So we need to stretch our core, our stomach, abdomen. So we will do bhujangasana. So just lie down, hands on your chest, shoulders roll back, down, up. Feel the good stretch on your stomach and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax in child pose. Relax in child pose. We will repeat this one more time. So whenever you do any kind of workout, if you are particularly focusing on one particular muscle, it is always important to do the counter asana to release that muscle at the same time. Again, we will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now relax in child pose. Relax there. Hands also relax. Stay there for 30 seconds. Okay. So friends, hopefully you all like this video. Stay tuned for more such video.
Yes, and Jeet always makes sure that whenever we have to do a video, we do something intense so that my workout is completed. Thank you for that. Friends, do like and share our videos with your friends and with your near and dear ones. Make sure that everyone join in the weight loss program so that you can take the maximum benefit out of it. We are trying our best to showcase one exercise daily which can reach out to you and you can easily perform this at home. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you very much.